home science experiments that can always be fun with the kids.
Yeah, especially when they have cool colors or explode or anything like that. Meteorologist Mark Dixon went to the Science Center to learn how to make a really cool lava lamp.
Cool.
Hey, Scott and Kara here, of course, with Aoife Ryle. We're at the Connecticut Science Center, and if maybe the viewers of Better Connecticut aren't familiar, Aoife is part of our Science Sunday series that runs every weekend here on Channel 3. And we often do fun experiments and demonstrations that folks at home can do. And that's what we're going to do today here on Better Connecticut. Kind of bring some Science Sunday to Better Connecticut.
Yeah, why not, right?
Yeah.
There's plenty of science to go around. So we are going to make some lava lamps and some snow globes together that you can totally try at home.
This is awesome.
Yeah.
Tis the season.
Tis the season.
Yeah.
All you need is some alka-seltzer, right? You might find that in a pharmacy.
Easy.
Some water.
We all have that in our homes?
Yep. Some washable paint.
Okay.
And baby oil or mineral oil, something with that kind of consistency.
All right.
That's it.
That's it. All right.
Yeah. So we're going to start off talking about how alka-seltzer works and why we use it. So you might notice, or you might recognize an alka-seltzer tablet. Inside here, there is citric acid and sodium bicarbonate. So once we place our alka-seltzer in water, see a pretty familiar reaction, that
fizzy.
Bubbling, that
Yes.
fizzing. Yeah, the citric acid, that sodium bicarbonate are interacting with each other. It's a chemical reaction happening, and we're forming carbon dioxide gas.
All right.
We're going to use that to make our lava lamps.
Okay, sounds good. So this is just kind of setting the stage.
Yes.
The science behind what we're going to be doing.
Exactly.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So we're going to take our jars.
Okay.
We have water in the jars already. That's all that's in there. And we're going to add some washable paint.
So a jar for you, a jar for me. You're going blue. I'm going to go green.
I picked blue. It's my favorite color.
All right.
So add an amount.
Okay.
We're just going to stir that paint in.
All right. So this is a washable paint.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah. You know, I haven't tried it with other paints. It might work, but I like washable because it's washable.
It's washable. So when you're, dealing with the little ones, the kiddos running around.
It's always nice to have a backup plan.
All right.
All right, once we're there, we're gonna add our mineral oil.
All right.
That's what we're using for this, but baby oil will work too.
Should I use baby oil?
Yeah, if you want, yeah.
Cool.
And so you'll notice that as we pour this in, the oil is sitting on top of that water and paint layer because it's got a different density. It is actually lighter, less dense, so it's gonna float right on top of that paint layer. So these are our two liquids that are going to interact to make our lava lamp or our snow globe.
All right, well, this is taking some time.
Yeah, we can add some
Couldn't
mineral
really
oil in
pour
there.
it out so easily, but it's there. Can I stop? Do I need
Yeah,
more?
that looks good.
Does the amount matter?
No, and that's a great thing about this is try out different amounts of those two liquids. Try out different amounts of alka-seltzer when you put it in. So you ready to make our
So I got some. So we're
lava
going to
lamp?
break the tab like in pieces?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to do two because why not?
Because
But,
why not?
Again, try a couple different things.
Who's cleaning this up if it gets messy?
Me.
Okay, good.
All right, you ready?
Yeah, all at once?
Yeah.
All right.
All right, so again, like we saw in the water, that alka-seltzer is starting to react, and all that carbon dioxide gas is moving up and pulling that paint with it.
How cool.
Yeah. So yours looks like almost like a slime.
It does look slimy. Probably don't want to touch this though. Then it gets really messy.
Yeah, yeah.
Messier than it needs to be.
Yeah. I think mine looks a little more wintry.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Kind of festive.
Yeah. So you can make a whole little lava lamp
Okay.
with this. Yeah.
So let's say once the alka-seltzer tabs do their thing, can you add more?
Yeah,
All right.
absolutely.
You just keep going and going
Yeah,
until
yeah,
maybe you
yeah,
run
yeah.
out of alka-seltzer tabs?
Yeah. You can see the foaming on the top too. That's all that carbon dioxide gas being trapped. So after it comes up through the liquid, it gets trapped on the top as that foam.
And because this is science, and you kind of alluded to this earlier, you can experiment with the amount of washable paint, the
Yes.
amount of baby or mineral oil, the amount of alka-seltzer tabs.
Exactly.
All right, so you can give this multiple shots. I give it experimental with it.
Yeah. So I want to make one a little bit of a bigger one
Okay.
with white paint because it's getting into the season of snow.
Yes.
So I figure we make a little blizzard.
Why not?
So this is baby oil and I'm making a mess. I'm dripping it down the side, of course.
And you're adding this to the white washable paint that you've already mixed with water?
Yes,
Okay.
yep. So just like we did before, white washable paint and water, absolutely. We got some alka-seltzer.
All right.
You ready?
Do it.
We'll
Do
throw
it
some
to
more
it.
in there.
I'll add some too.
So a little blizzard in your home.
Kind of a blizzard lava. It's a blizzard lava lamp.
Yeah, yeah. A little easier to shovel.
Yeah, oh, for sure. So when it comes time to maybe disposing of this, what should parents do?
So the great thing is that because that alka-seltzer has reacted already, it's neutralized. You know, all you really have is water, that leftover alka-seltzer, and mineral oil. So it can just go down the sink.
Down the sink.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Yeah, nice and easy. Maybe a good outdoor project, but yeah.
Yeah, if it's warm enough. Good stuff. Well, thank you for bringing some science to Better Connecticut.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, Scott and Kara, back to you.
Plop, plop, fizz, fizz. Oh, what a relief it is.
Thanks, Mark. That would be fun to do with the kids. You know, if you're having smaller groups, you could maybe do orange for Thanksgiving.
Yeah, it'd be fun.
Give a little craft.